How are you doing today?
Hey, hi Sagar. I'm doing good. How about you?
See, awesome, awesome. So I am right now feeling energetic. I just had a bath, so feeling fresh after a workout. So, what workout did you follow today?
It was my legs day today.
Oh my God, must be a little bit shaky.
Yes.
That's great. So, leg day for me was like 2 days ago. So it is more like sober right now. I can walk at least. So, anyways, let's start with today's session. So, I have a few questions with me as we do it in lives with Market Wednesdays. So, these questions are from my followers, or you can say my friends, or whoever takes training or some tips or tricks from me. So, these questions are basically, I can say, very basic questions, but I have already told them the answer, but I want everybody to know about it. Okay.
Okay.
So the only way we can tell everyone by publishing it, right?
Hmm.
So these questions are basically I jotted them down and grouped them together. So today's main question would be on trading and investing again. Okay. So So if I start with trading, mm, there are two things. There are two professions you can say, right? These are
Yeah.
professions. Market may we can trade also, we can invest also. So
Yeah.
who does what? We will be discussing about it and how you can get trained about it, how you can master it. So we'll be discussing that. So my first question to you would be, let me check my chats where the questions came in. So my first question would be, what should I learn if I want to start as a trader?
Okay.
So,
See, when you want to start as a trader, basically there are two types of analysis that one should follow. Like one is fundamental analysis, and the other one is the technical analysis. Okay, both are totally different areas of analysis, but both will yield good results uh, for investment as well as trading. So basically, fundamental analysis is what we watch for the economic factors like GDP data, inflation data, or it could be earnings of a company,
hmm,
right? We do watch balance sheets, we do watch profit and loss statements, cash flow statements,
right.
and all these. Yeah. So this all come into fundamental analysis, and mostly see fundamental analysis is done by those who have good understanding in the commerce area. Okay,
Right.
जिसका background commerce का रहा है past में, they would actually like to do this fundamental a lot. But someone who has into non-finance background, or who has been into computer engineering kind of areas throughout their academics, these guys will find it really difficult to do some fundamental analysis.
Hmm.
Whereas on the other side, the technical analysis is everything that we do on the charts, historic data. Okay, we do watch for charts, we do watch for indicators. So all these comes under technical analysis, which is quite easy to learn and implement as well.
So, which one is more easier? So, for trading, I understood that more like technical analysis would be more required on a day-to-day basis, and for investing purposes, fundamental analysis. If I am a proficient on it, like I have a background from commerce, or maybe I have learned something about it, maybe a little bit, not like the master of it, but maybe a little bit. So which one is required for what?
Okay, see, fundamental analysis is basically for those who want to do a long-term investment, looking at the sound financials of a company and not looking at the price of the share. So usually a long-term investor would be doing fundamental analysis, whereas technical analysis should be done by a trader who is looking for short-term gains. Maybe intraday, maybe a swing trade kind of gains, like 1 week holding or 1 month kind of holding. Yeah.
Okay. So coming to that question, I have a follow-up. So if suppose I go with the fundamental analysis purely, so I become an investor, and if I go with technical analysis again purely, I become a trader. So is there a balance between both? Can I learn both, and can it benefit me?
Yeah, definitely. See, having more having good analysis in fundamental and technical is definitely an edge over the other players in the market.
Right.
Okay, so if you learn both, you are definitely going to win in a better way than the other traders in the market or investors in the market. Okay.
So it is like an added advantage, you can say.
Yeah, definitely.
So guys, whenever you're trading, you have very sound knowledge for technical analysis. But if there is an addition, if there is a pinch of fundamental analysis as well, you can maybe avoid a lot of trades which may go wrong, or you can enter at the right moment.
Correct.
Right? Yeah. And vice versa goes for investing as well.
Yeah.
So my next question is, technical analysis, कैसे सीखें? How do we learn?
Okay, see, basically, if you start with technical analysis, you could just buy some books on the technicals. Like a book by Martin J. Pring is one of the best books
Yes.
one could ever learn.
Technical analysis explained by Martin J. Pring, right?
Yeah.
I have read that book in my initial years, and that is really, really good book.
Absolutely. So that could be one area you could just buy that book, and you'll be having good experience on the technical analysis. Other could be you can do some trainings on the technical analysis, which is conducted by some trainers now. Yeah. And yes, I also do conduct trainings in the technical analysis. So yeah.
Awesome, awesome. So I'll be putting your link in the description of your website, whatever you are featuring, so that people may know what kind of product or services you offer.
Sure.
Okay, so books is one. Professional training is a must, I think, before doing anything, because even if you practice based on books, there might be chances that you don't know it completely. You always need a mentor or a teacher. And that brings me to my second question about fundamental analysis. वो कहाँ से सीखें? वो कौन बताएगा? मैंने कॉमर्स नहीं किया है, suppose.
Yeah.
Who will tell me?
Okay, see, Sagar, learning fundamental is slightly difficult compared to technicals, because you need to start with just basics of finance first, commerce first, what are assets, liabilities, okay, how company functions and everything. So I'll at least recommend कि fundamental आप books से ना पढ़े तो better है. Okay, try to learn it from some training institute, do some find some mentor, a good mentor who will guide you in the fundamental aspect. Or else what you could do is you can start watching the balance sheets of the company. You could go with the websites like screener.in. Okay, these websites are really good to check the financial aspects of any company. Yeah.
Again,
but I'll strictly recommend. Yeah, I'll strictly recommend to start with the trainings. That should be a good area to work with in fundamental, because it's not a self-learn kind of thing.
Yes, even if I am the master in commerce, I think the stock market acts differently than what I learn in school or in my advanced degrees, right? So another thing, even if you want to learn from book, just adding a point, even if you want to learn from book, there is a difference. See, most of the books which are on fundamental analysis, like I have seen people reading The Intelligent Investors.
Yeah.
Right? So it has all the basics, but you know what? That is focused more on the US markets.
Correct.
Right? But Indian markets are totally different. They act different. The liquidity is different. The interest we earn is totally different. So then again, you need to figure out what book actually you have to read. But best thing would be get someone's experience within you. Right?
Absolutely.
Okay. So now I know fundamental analysis, technical analysis. Now I want to decide which one is good for me. What should I become? Should I be a trader? Should I be an investor, or can I become both?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. See, it's one's own choice if you want to become a trader or an investor. Okay, but see, trading is something which you buy and sell without looking any fundamental, without looking any economic factors, right? That is what the trading is. All your focus is on making profit out of it. That's it. That to a short-term profits. Yeah. Whereas an investor is not looking for short-term market moves or anything. He is just focused on the sound fundamentals of the company. He only wants that company should perform well in the long run. That's it. He's not a hurry. He's not in a hurry to make money overnight or maybe in a 6 month time. He just want to create a wealth out of it. That is why he's investing in the market, investing in that stock. And when it comes to trading, see trading में हम लोगों को technical ज़्यादा आना चाहिए and fundamental कम आता है तभी चलेगा. Yeah. But in case of an investment, or when you are looking for investing in the market, you should know fundamental better than the technicals.
Right.
Yeah. So
anyways, you need both, but the level of proficiency differs in trading. In trading, you can go with more technical, less fundamental, and in investing, you can go with more fundamental, but a little bit of technical is also required, right?
Yeah.
For entering, because you need to know how the charts work, right? You need to see the chart and identify if this is the right point to enter.
Yeah, right.
So I think this was it for today. I do not have any more questions for you. If you want to add something of your own, please. We are waiting for your wisdom.
Okay. See, Sagar, I mean, many people are actually looking for trading in the market who are coming just, in this coronavirus waves. Many people are entering the market. They are actually looking for trading and not going for investment. I'll recommend to start with investment rather than going for trading.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. In trading, you need to be, like a army guy who does the surgical strike.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So you need to be at a right time at a right place. And that to your, the target should be exactly at that second, at that razor sharp second, right? Then only you make money and you ride that move. But in investment, even though you commit, you make some mistakes, you do some, bad decisions, then also you end up making money. That's the best part about the investment.
So even I am also getting, that is very fascinating actually. I am also getting these kind of things that I want to learn trading. Because there is a thing in their mind that if I do trade, okay, आज एक दिन में मैंने 2000 रुपए कमा लिया into 30, so 60,000 रुपए हो गया मेरा done. So this is how people are thinking, because they think that trading will always give you profit, and it is a very very showbiz kind of a profession. But no, it is again a job, a daily job. You have to come at your desk daily, and you have to trade. And you know what? How it is different from another job, you may suffer losses, big depressions.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So we are not stopping you from trading, but if you want to start, go slow, take out little capital of it, do not risk everything, but first learn something about it.
Correct.
Without learning, you will lose money. Let me tell you, I don't know anything about the market. Havik doesn't know anything about the market. Nobody knows anything about the markets. So I think that was it for today. Thank you so much again for joining in. We'll see you in the next week. Okay. And we'll come with some interesting topics.
Definitely. Thank you so much, Sagar.
Thank you so much. Over and out.
Thank you.